A very good morning, children. Today in the mathematics we are going to introduce new chapter, division. So with the help of an activity we will try to understand the concept of division. Generally you all know this thing that division means the distribution. The distribution of anything is called the division. But here we will try to understand with the help of an activity. So in this activity we have taken two very common items that is available in the kitchen. First one is a clove. Here you can see I have taken these clove birds, and in this activity we will assume clove as a person. And these rajma seeds. The rajma seed we will assume as a chocolates. ठीक है, जो क्लोव है ये इस एक्टिविटी में हम थोड़ी देर के लिए मान लेंगे कि ये पर्सन है और जो राजमा है ये चॉकलेट्स है. नाउ वी स्टार्ट आवर एक्टिविटी. इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल एक्टिविटी. सो इन दिस एक्टिविटी सपोज वी हैव द टू पर्सन मीन्स वी हैव टू क्लोव and we have the four chocolates. Four chocolate means we have four rajma seeds. Four rajma seeds and means four chocolate and two person. So easily you can guess and you can calculate that each person will get how many chocolates? Two chocolates. If we distribute equally, one will go here, one will here, one will go here, one will go here. So easily you can see that each person get two chocolates. Is that clear? So simply you can write means four is the chocolate means four. Here we say the how many persons are there? 4 persons. This is the sign of division. 4 divided by 2. Total how many persons are there? 2 persons are there. 2 persons. And sorry, 4 is the chocolate. Total 4 chocolates are there. So 4 chocolates are there, 2 persons. And each person will get how many chocolate? 2 chocolates. Is that clear? So in the language of the mathematics we used to say the 4 is a dividend. 4 is dividend, and this is the sign of division, and the 2 is a divisor. 2 is the divisor. So when the dividend divided by the divisor, you will get quotient. So in the language of the mathematics we used to call whatever the answer we get after the division is called as a quotient. So 4 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and 2 is the quotient. Now if we want to show the whole process, so always you remember inside this division sign we used to write dividend, and on the left hand side we used to write divisor, and here it is the quotient, and whatever comes at last at the bottom we call as the remainder. We call as a remainder. Is that clear? Yes. Here it is a very common thing. Generally most of the children they make a mistake. Suppose 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now if we reverse this thing, if we reverse this order, means 2 divided by 4, it means now here the 2 divided by 4, but it is not equal to 2. You remember this thing. Later on you will study. Just now it is not in this chapter, but both are not equal. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Means the 4 chocolates are there. If we divide these 4 chocolates among 2 persons, so each person will get 2 chocolates. But here, if suppose 2 chocolates are there, how many chocolates? 2 chocolates, and there are the 4 persons are there. So how it can be 2? So that's why, because most of the children I have seen, they used to write the same answer, which is wrong. Never the 2 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Is that clear? Now here we can see the whole picture of the division. Like suppose there are the 7. We take the 7 chocolates, means 7 rajma seeds we take, and the 3 person. So we take here 7 rajma seeds, 3, 3, 6, 1, 7. These are the 7 rajma seeds. And how many person are there? Here we have taken the 3 person. Means 3 clove. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And total 7 chocolates are there. Now can you guess how many each person will get? Let's see. 1, 1, 1. 1 by 1 we will distribute equally. Then 1, 1, 1. Means till now each person is getting 2 chocolates. But still the 1 rajma seed or the 1 chocolate is left. Is that clear? So this left portion, it is called as a remainder. It is called as a remainder. In the language of mathematics, it is called as a remainder because we cannot distribute this chocolate equally among these 3 persons. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these 3 means the 3 person, it is called as the divisor. It is called as the divisor. And the each person gets how many chocolates? 2. So these 2 means each person gets 2 chocolates. This is called as a quotient. It is called as a quotient. Is that clear? These 3 means the 3 person, it is called as a divisor, which I have shown here. Divisor. And the 7 means initially we have taken the 7 chocolates, means 6 plus 1, 7. So this is a dividend, and each person gets how many chocolates? 2 chocolates. So that these 2 chocolates is the quotient. And how many chocolates are remaining here? 1, which is called as a remainder. So easily you can make a statement. Dividend means dividend is equal to dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient. Divisor multiplied by quotient means divisor 3 multiplied by 2. Divisor is 3, quotient is 2. 3 to the 6 and plus remainder. Dividend is 7, divisor is 3, and the quotient is 2, and the remainder is 1. So here you can check your answer. 7 is equal to 7. Understood? So by using this activity, you can even using some other item, whatever is available in your home or the kitchen, you can perform the same activity by choosing some other number. Like suppose you can take 13 divided by 4. Now this is a task, or you can say this is the activity which you have to perform in your home. Either you can choose a gram, groundnut, or there are so many things which is available in your kitchen. Okay, so thank you children for today. I hope you understood very well this thing. Thank you.